We're going into the garage real quick, folks. There we go. Throw the light on real quick. Still got a ton of stuff to go through, clean up so this garage can become useful. But if you see, the garbage pails are in here. Yeah, we've had a little bit of an issue. Last night I was in bed. I was in bed last night, laying down, getting ready to go to sleep, and I hear crash. I was like, oh, the damn bear's back. So I grab a flashlight, I come out, and I scared the piss out of that bear. And he takes running through the woods, crashing through everything. It was wild. But it was kind of funny too. So, but I had to actually bring the garbage pails into the garage because I am sick and tired of picking up after this bear that keeps getting to our garbage. He has been horrible as of late. Horrible, horrible, horrible. But everything you see behind me right now, we'll be getting to it. That's next on the list to get to. And, you know, once we get this garage cleaned out and finished, it's going to be a nice place to hang out. It's going to be a nice place to hang out, and I'll be able to do any butchering I need to do will get done in here. If the weather is cold enough, it'll get hung in here for a few days and then butch it up. But if it's warm, it gets done immediately. I have some butcher block over there that I'm going to make countertops out of for in here, so I can do my butchering, and you know, we'll make videos out of that stuff too.